Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and run a React app. If you have no knowledge of React framework, this video is for you. First things first, we need to install Visual Studio Code. If you don't have installed it yet, click the link below and install VS Code first. Next, we need to install Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. If you haven't installed it too, check the link in the description. I personally prefer JS long-term support version. So you can check whether it installed or not in your device. Go to command prompt and type node dash dash version and enter. As you can see, I have installed version 16. Okay, now let's get into creating the React app. First, we have to open the Visual Studio Code. Then we have to open a new terminal. Let's go to terminal, new terminal. Now, we have to type the command npx create react. Npx is a package runner. So then let's give a name for our React app. I'll give React app, then press enter. Now the package is installing, so we have to wait few minutes. Now, as you can see, our React app has created. First, we have to change the directory to React app. Let's type cd React app, then npm start. I personally prefer npm as the log file format to manage dependencies, but you can always use yarn as well. It's up to you. Always go with the personal preference. Now let's see. This is our React app. It's running. You can see some animation and some text and link. Now I am going to show you another way to create a React app. We can simply use. If you don't know what Vite is a JavaScript development server. Now let's get into it. First, we have to type npm create Vite at latest and press enter. Okay. It will create a new project. We can name our project as we like. Let me name it as Vite project. Now let's choose React framework. Then JavaScript variant. Press enter, and we have to change directory to our project. And let's change it and let's press enter. And then we have to run the command npm install. It will install the dependencies. It will take about a minute. So let's wait. My npm install command has run, and now let's run npm run dev. Now click the follow link. Now as you can see, here's the React project. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching.